Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. Today we're talking to our 11 to 16 Duramax LML guys out there. Now in front of me, I've got a pretty cool product. And when it comes to common rail fuel injection stuff, S&S is constantly raising the bar and they're at the forefront of this technology. If you have this truck, one of the very common issues that you probably already know is that CP4 pump and the elevated failure rates that are starting to pop up with that. Now what S&S Diesel did is they decided, instead of trying to fix what was broken, they just made a conversion kit to something they knew that worked and is tried and true. This is the S&S Diesel CP4 conversion kit. Comes with everything you need, whether you're just replacing, for preventative reasons, your CP4 and converting it to a CP3, or if you are unfortunately one of those people that had their CP4 go out, hopefully you didn't have catastrophic failure in addition to that. This kit is what you need to make sure you have the longevity that that motor needs. Now, everything is included. One really cool feature about this kit is absolutely no tuning is required. Also, they come with very detailed instructions. One thing that S&S does a really great job of, it comes with all the instructions you need so you can get your truck back on the road. If you want to extend the longevity and efficiency of your common rail and your Duramax, make sure you check us out. Click the link in the bio or go to dieselpowerproducts.com.